The huge opportunity in online weight loss, everyone wants it. You're sitting on a gold mine. The online weight loss market, that's pure gold, baby. It's booming. People want to look good, feel good, and they're turning to the internet to make it happen. Huge opportunity for entrepreneurs like you. It's about selling a lifestyle, a transformation. People are craving results, and they're willing to invest in themselves. We're talking billions of dollars, my friend. Billions. It's about making a real impact, helping people achieve their goals. Imagine the lives you can touch by providing the right products and support. So, what are you waiting for? Jump in. With AI, it's never been easier to crush it in this market. AI to the rescue. Sell smarter, not harder. AI. It sounds complicated, right? But trust me, it's your new secret weapon. Think of AI as your super smart business partner, always working behind the scenes to boost your sales. No coffee breaks needed. First up, market analysis. AI can analyze tons of data, way faster than any human. It can tell you what's hot, what's not, and what your customers really want. That means less guesswork, more targeted products. Then there's AI-powered advertising. Imagine this, your ads popping up in front of the right people at the perfect moment. AI makes that happen. It's like having a personal advertising guru, targeting your ideal customers with laser precision. And let's not forget about customer service. AI chatbots can handle those frequently asked questions, freeing you up to focus on growing your business. They can even provide personalized recommendations, making your customers feel like VIPs. Bottom line, AI helps you work smarter, not harder. It's like having a whole team of experts at your fingertips 24/7. AI-powered insights. Know your customer like never before. Want to sell like a champ? Know your customer better than they know themselves. That's where AI comes in. Imagine having a crystal ball that shows you exactly what your customers are thinking, what they want, even before they do. AI can analyze mountains of data about your customers. What they buy, where they click, what they search for. It's like having a direct line to their thoughts. Spooky? Maybe a little? Effective? Absolutely. Here's a hypothetical scenario. Let's say you're selling a new weight loss tea. AI can analyze data and tell you that people who buy your tea also search for yoga mats and healthy recipes. Bingo! You've just uncovered valuable insights about your target audience. Now, you can use this knowledge to your advantage. Offer yoga mats as a bundle deal. Share healthy recipes on your social media. See how it works? AI helps you connect the dots and create irresistible offers. Personalized marketing. The right message at the right time. Remember the days of generic ads? Spray and pray, hoping to hit the right people? Well, those days are over. With AI, you can personalize your marketing like never before. It's about sending the right message to the right person at the right time. Let's say you're running a Facebook ad campaign for your weight loss product. AI can analyze user data and target people who are interested in fitness, nutrition, and healthy living. But it goes even deeper than that. Imagine this. Someone clicked on your ad for a weight loss smoothie recipe. AI can then retarget that person with an ad for your protein powder, the perfect complement to their smoothie. Talk about a personalized experience. And it's not just about ads. AI can personalize your email marketing too. It can segment your audience and send them tailored messages based on their interests and purchase history. That's how you build relationships and turn one-time buyers into loyal customers. AI chatbots. Your 24/7 customer service dream team. Let's face it, customer service can be a real pain. Answering the same questions over and over again? But what if you could automate it and provide instant support 24/7? That's where AI chatbots come in. Think of chatbots as your virtual assistants, always ready to help. They can answer frequently asked questions about your products, shipping, returns, you name it. This frees you up to focus on the big picture stuff. But here's the really cool part. AI chatbots can learn from every interaction. They get smarter over time, providing even more personalized and helpful responses. It's like having a team of customer service ninjas working around the clock to keep your customers happy. And the best part? Chatbots can boost your sales. They can recommend products, offer discounts, and even close deals, all while you're catching some Z's. Now that's what I call working smarter, not harder. The future of AI in e-commerce. It's only getting bigger. The future of e-commerce is here, and it's powered by AI. This is just the tip of the iceberg, my friends. AI will revolutionize how we sell, buy, and interact with brands online. Imagine a world where your online store is personalized to each shopper. AI will predict your customers' needs before they even know them. AI-powered virtual fitness coaches, personalized nutrition plans. Embrace the power of AI. It's the key to unlocking massive growth in your e-commerce business. The future is here, and it's time to crush it. Pause 2S, join the revolution. Now that you've seen the incredible potential of AI in e-commerce, it's time to take action. Don't get left behind as the world moves forward. Implement AI in your business strategy today and watch your growth skyrocket. But remember, this journey is not just about technology. It's about creating better experiences for your customers and building a future where everyone wins. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. Together, let's embrace the future and harness the power of AI to create a better world for businesses and consumers alike. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Pause 2S.